Is it actually possible to start investing with an app like Acorns when your budget is so tight you're counting every last dollar? That was the question I had just a few years ago. I wanted to start building wealth, but I felt like I barely had enough money for my bills, let alone for investing. I'm going to share the 3 most effective, real-world strategies I use to consistently fund my Acorns account, even on a very strict budget. Strategy 1. Automate your spare change. This is the classic Acorns feature for a reason. It's the easiest place to start. If you're on a tight budget, the last thing you want is a large, fixed withdrawal. My approach. Use the roundups. I linked the debit card I use for all my small, necessary purchases, like my $3.50 coffee or a $12 grocery trip. Acorns automatically rounds those up to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. That's 50 cents here, 80 cents there. It felt like I was saving without even trying to find extra money. The $5 threshold is your friend. Acorns only transfers the money into your investment account once your spare change hits a $5 minimum. This means you aren't constantly being charged microtransfers, and it smooths out the impact on your checking account. The goal here isn't to get rich fast, it's to build the habit of investing. When you're on a tight budget, consistency is more important than amount. Strategy 2. The ultra-small recurring deposit. Roundups are great, but they depend on spending. I needed a way to guarantee I was adding money every week, no matter what. My approach. Find your absolute minimum. I looked at my budget and asked, what is the smallest amount I could truly afford to forget about every single week? For me, it was $5. Not $10, not $25, just $5. That's less than one specialty coffee or a fast food meal. Set an automatic weekly transfer. I set Acorns to automatically withdraw $5 every Friday. By making it weekly instead of monthly, the impact on my paycheck felt much smaller. It was a micro deposit I barely noticed. Use micro increments. Once I got a raise or paid off a small debt, I didn't jump to a $20 deposit. I would bump it to $6, then $7, then $8. I used these tiny increments to ease my budget into the new amount, keeping the momentum without feeling the pinch. This is called dollar cost averaging on a tiny scale. Strategy 3. Leverage Acorns Earn. This is the least talked about but most lucrative strategy when you have no money to spare, getting free money for your investments. My approach. Check the partner list for essentials. Acorns Earn partners with many brands. I never bought something just for the bonus, but before I bought something I needed, like renewing my phone or internet plan, or buying something on Amazon, I checked the Acorns Earn section first. The shopping portal, I learned to always go through the Acorns link to a retailer's website. If I was already going to spend $100, and a partner offered a 5% bonus investment, that was $5 directly invested, for free. It was money I would have spent anyway, now generating an investment bonus. The referral bonus. If you know 1 or 2 friends who want to try micro-investing, use your referral link. These bonuses, usually $5 to $10, are deposited directly into your investment account. This is the fastest, easiest way to inject a solid amount into your portfolio without touching your core budget. By combining the low-effort roundups, the consistent $5 auto deposit, and strategically using Earn for my necessary purchases, I was able to consistently fund my Acorns account. It's not about finding a massive lump sum, it's about making $5 feel like a comfortable entry point and letting the power of time and compounding do the heavy lifting. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.